Allison here from Red Heart. Just like its name implies, Scrubby is a uniquely textured yarn created especially for knit and crochet dishcloths. Scrubby cloths will clean your dirty pots and pans much easier than those traditionally made with cotton yarn. And because Scrubby is 100% polyester, it will dry faster than your old dishcloths. Don't stop with the kitchen. The texture of Scrubby makes great exfoliating washcloths. You can make basic ones for every day of the week, or get creative and make fun shapes and patterns. Your Scrubby cloths will be easy to care for too. Just throw them in the washing machine on the gentle cycle and tumble dry low. Scrubby is a medium weight No. 4 yarn. Solid colors come in 3.5 ounce balls with about 92 yards per ball, while the multicolored prints are 3 ounce balls with about 78 yards per ball. I like to have a few Scrubbies on hand, so when I'm invited to a get-together, I can pair the Scrubby with a nice lotion or luxury soap for a quick hostess gift. For more information, go to redheart.com.